guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I wanted to do a highly requested video, and it's actually my hair care routine. I've actually never been someone to do my hair. Honestly, I used to do my hair maybe once a month if I was lucky. I just always had 2 jobs, really busy, never had time to do my hair, and it pretty much just looks like this all the time. But that was until I found this Revlon one-step hair dryer. I was referred to this by Irene Sarah, and I was so thankful for her recommendation because it just saves my hair. I've tried to blow dry my hair for so long and I've never been successful in doing it. It always just comes out a lot more frizzier than it did originally, and which is probably why I never do my hair. But I used to just take a straightener to it and just leave it at that. Never style it. Sometimes I would curl it, and that's pretty much it. But with this one-step blow dryer, my hair is literally done in 10 minutes, whether it's wet or dry. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on my hair how I do it when it's dry. And it just makes doing my hair so much more realistic, because before I would hate actually having my hair like this. To me, it just doesn't make me feel pretty, it doesn't make me feel attractive. But when my hair is done, especially with this Revlon blow dryer, I just feel a lot more confident in my day. I find myself getting a lot more things done, and I'm just really obsessed with it at this point. I have tried using an InStyler before because I'm a sucker for infomercials apparently, and I've actually purchased 2 of them and I've returned both. So I've tried like the wet to dry one and then also the original one, and it just didn't work on my hair texture. I'm not sure if it's just too coarse, a little too curly, but it never worked for me. And this tool works amazing without even trying. So as you guys can see, this tool is really large, so it can take on really big sections of hair at a time, and that's probably why my hair gets done in about 10 minutes. On the front and the back of the oval shaped barrel, it's just regular plastic shaped bristles, but on the 2 sides have boar bristles, and I feel like that's what makes all the difference in my hair and making it shiny. So let's get started and I'll show you guys how I use this thing. The only downfall I have to this hairstyling tool is that it is really loud. So if you have a newborn, I'm pretty sure it'll wake him or her up. However, my 2-year-old doesn't really seem to be bothered by it once I close the door. So just to show you guys my natural hair, this is really how it looks when it's just air dried. I washed it last night. So it does have a lot of waves to it. It's pretty healthy for the most part. I mean, I'm not a person who dyes my hair at all. I think I've dyed it twice in my life, and that's pretty much it. And I just cut it, so it's a lot shorter than I'm used to. But just a lot of texture, a lot of wave. Every time I blow dry my hair this way, it does last about 3 to 4 days. I do use a few volumizing and just like shiny serum products, and that's pretty much it. So to get started, I am just gonna take a little spray bottle and wet my hair just a little bit. And then I love to go in with some heat protectant spray. Now, I would never style my hair without a heat protectant product, and I feel like that is why my hair has stayed so healthy throughout the years. And for heat protectant today, I'm just gonna use the Orlando Pita Play Hair Protectant Treatment Spray. And then I do like to do my hair in 2 sections. So I'm just gonna section off the top from the bottom and clip that away. And at this point, I get to go in with the BioSilk Volumizing Mousse just for added body, and it makes it last a little bit longer. Okay, now we can actually get started. So for the bottom section, I usually just part it in the middle, and then I'll just take a small section in the front. I usually just split that in half again, so it ends up being 4 sections for the bottom. Let me grab our little tool. It does have 3 settings, so it has a cool, low, and high. I personally only use it on the high. Now for the demo, I'm sure you guys can just watch what I'm doing because I do have to mute it since this product is very loud. But I pretty much just put it through my hair, holding my roots upwards for added volume. And then I'm always constantly turning it all throughout my hair, and especially on my ends. And that's honestly pretty much all I do. I just repeat the same thing over my entire head. done with the bottom section. I know I did speed it up, but this literally took me 1 minute to do. So that's why when I go to the grocery store or just run any errands and my hair is not done, I kind of feel ashamed of myself because I know how easy it is with this one tool. So moving on to the top, I'm just gonna split that in half as well and apply that same volumizing mousse. Now, since I just got a haircut and I do have face framing pieces, I will section off a piece of the very top just because I blow dry that in a different direction than I would the length of my hair. Okay, now we're literally gonna repeat the same exact steps on the top. Okay, so the rest of my hair is done. I don't really touch it up much. I don't really try to go for it to be absolutely perfect either, even though I know this tool could do that. I more just go for a semi-polished look just so I can really do my errands. Now for the top section, the only thing I do differently is that I just blow dry it towards the back, so that way when I flip my hair forward, it kind of just falls wherever it wants to. And there we go, guys. That's pretty much how I do my hair every time I wash it. Even if I curl it, I still do blow dry it this way, just because it makes my hair a lot more manageable, because as you guys saw, I did have a lot of texture and stuff like that. And I actually did time it this time. It only took me 7 minutes from start to finish. So shame on me if I don't have my hair done and it takes 7 minutes to get this blow dry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Sorry if it didn't teach you anything, but I know for a lot of moms that are out there trying to be that picture perfect, always put together mom, this tool really helps you get it together in the fastest way possible. But if you guys have any more requests, please leave them in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!